We can use rhetorical theory to try to better understand and analyze propaganda messages. And one theory that we can use is Burke's dramatistic pentad. Now, the pentad consists of 5 different pieces: the act, the scene, the agent, agency, and purpose. So first, you can take a look at the act. The act is what took place in thought or deed. So this can be the way that a message was actually sent. The scene is the background of the act. This is the situation in which the act occurred. So if we're looking at a particular message, maybe that message was sent during wartime. That would provide an important background to the act as it was. The agent is the person and/or institution who performed the act. So again, if we're looking at a message that was sent during wartime, maybe that message was sent by the president or by the White House press secretary or by somebody in the military or something along those lines. So the agent is the actor or the person or the institution who performed the act. Agency is the means or instruments that were used by the agent. So this is kind of the way that the message was sent, so to speak. Did they give a speech? Did they send out a message? Did they send out an advertisement? Was it in an email? Was it over television? All of these different means have different impacts on the way that the message is perceived. And then finally, what was the purpose? What was the motive or the cause behind the act? And you can really pick apart any message, any communicative message using Burke's dramatistic pentad. You can look at the act, the scene, the agent, the agency, and the purpose, and each of these pieces can help you to better understand the message as a whole.